Doctors' Day is celebrated on July 1st all across India to honor the legendary physician, philanthropist, freedom fighters and statesmen who served as the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was born on 1st July 1882 and died on the same date in 1962. Aged 80 years, Dr. Roy was honored with the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. On 4th February 1961, his services are very influential for all. So, the Government of India started acknowledging National Doctors' Day on the 1st of July from 1991. We, the children of grade 4, would like to start our tribute to the true warriors in the tough times by thanking our in-house heroes, our dearest parents who are doctors first.
तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुमने ही दी रिश्तों को धड़कने, तुमने ही की हल सभी उलझने, हर नफ्स की रफ्तार तुम, हम दर्द लगे हर बार तुम, ज़मीं के फरिश्ते दुआ से हो तुम। खुदा तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुम, खुदा तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुम।
Stay on. D. Dedicated. O. Optimistic outlook. C. Capable to save lives. T. Treat everyone equally. O. Operate to heal patients. R. Respect and responsibility. In India, 1st July is celebrated as Doctors' Day every year to honor and respect their service to society. There are different types of doctors like the general surgeon, cardiologist, neurologist, child specialist or pediatrician, family physician, eye specialist or ophthalmologist. Doctors are given status next to God. God gives us life. In turn, doctors lead that life in a healthy way. We take this opportunity to thank all doctors for their hard work and commitment, especially during the ongoing coronavirus, for being in the front lines and showing your kindness, dedication, and healing us with your magic touch by honoring our lives with your unwavering special attention. Their contribution to human health is beyond comparison. Doctors protect and promote the health of the community. You are the real heroes during the COVID-19 pandemic, and we salute you. I felicitate you all on this very special day. Happy Doctors' Day, by the way. It is my wish to become a doctor, one of you all, when I grow up. Thank you. Thank you for being an inspiration to me and many more. To earn the title doctor takes many years to achieve. It takes more than just studying. I really do believe to become a doctor is to fulfill a lifelong dream. It's true, as this prestigious title is only granted to few. A doctor starts with many dreams to make the world a better place, to help and heal each person, no matter color, breed or race. From that place of healing is a reassuring, then gentle smile. Because patients know that you will always go the extra mile. You have the care and compassion that no textbook could define. You really care about people as you're so generous with your time. You are so very special in everything you do. I wish you only sweet success in life. God bless you all. Thank you so much for all your hard work and support during this difficult time. Thank you for being our nation's guiding light in the face of this adversity. Happy Dr.
शाबाशियाँ शाबाशियाँ